what transpired between me and the Honorable Home Minister normally is not shared in the public domain. But I understand your concern. Whatever dues are there for the people of Bengal will certainly be given, provided the requirements laid down by Government of India are met. State government has given the answers in the last few months to the various queries raised by the Government of India. I have also reviewed it at my level. The matter has been taken up with the Government of India. Whatever is to be done to give justice to the people of Bengal will soon be done by the Government of India under the tutelage of the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. I cannot give more details about what was the topic of discussion between the Governor and the Honorable Home Minister. Yes, law and order and various other subjects will normally be discussed during a meeting between the Governor and the Home Minister, not only Governor of West Bengal, any governor. Such discussions have taken place. Details I can share. About the recent developments there, strong action has been taken by the Home Ministry. As we know, the ED was prevented from conducting a raid. The ED did conduct the raid, and other steps were also taken in the recent past. Strong action against the lawbreakers will continue to be there. A particular incident involving an alleged criminal cannot be discussed by the governor in this forum. I can only say the law will take its course. You have been observing strong and legal action being taken decisively in the last few days in Bengal. This will continue.